I had said that I wouldn't talk and drive, but I feel like I need to talk and drive about this. Your ADA accommodations don't give you like a pass to be in sport in it. That's what they're saying. So it's like, wow. This is a redirect. I'm going to send it to the attorney and just see what they say and see if they want to, if anything needs to be written, if it's a warning or anything. So, but I'm going to do what my mom says and just be quiet. And something like this is very triggering and provoking. I'm not going to respond. I just forward it to myself and don't respond. That's what the person is trying to do, is get a response. I sent an email to the attorney. I just got some gas in the car. I'm going to go to the co-work and basically go to the restroom to stretch my legs. And after that, I'm going to go to this school that's in close proximity. They have a media center. I'm going to see if I can go over to this school and only change my password. That's the only thing I'm trying to do. I got my password changed, so I'm set for the summer. I spoke to a staff member that said that they would write me a letter of support or email me a letter of support. So I have their contact information. And I had someone else mention that they went to the training for the unassigned medication, and they mentioned during the training they went by one-to-one, each person getting the training asking, do you have a nurse? Do you have a nurse? Do you not have a nurse? And when this person got to, oh, this is a group of construction workers, they must be getting ready to go eat or something, because they're all going together. Anyway, they asked the name of the school, and then when the person said it, it happened to be one of my schools, they're like, oh. So this staff member says, well, they didn't say Dark Triad. Dark Triad sounded nice, but you know, the devil can sound nice too. It's Tuesday. One thing that I said to one of the people that has called me this week is, in terms of me being a nurse consultant, I do certain things, and I frequently go beyond the call of duty, and that should be, I should get thanks for that. The leader should not act entitled like they are entitled for me to do that. They're not entitled for me to do that. That is extra, and you should be grateful I'm doing it, frankly. The most challenging thing sometimes is to not take action. Now with the 10-month schedule, the attorney says, well, you know, she says some different things, and she's like, I personally would just leave that be. Just leave that be. But the attorney's going to focus on the ADA stuff because that's the stuff that's most relevant to the EEOC complaint. Those are the things that are helpful to the EEOC complaint, and having somebody retaliate and having to do a letter and the attorney have that as a point of record is a good thing. I have the cashier check. I took a scan of it. Now I'm going to go to FedEx. Yes, I am. I really wanted to close off the school year by going and visiting all the new nurses. It looks like that's not going to happen. unless I'm driving all over the place tomorrow, which I'm not going to do. I visited the work auntie. She's a sweetheart. She said that the Dark Triad calls in, this is such and such school system administration, and then calls in there like, oh, hey girl, oh yeah, this is Dark Triad. They didn't say Dark Triad. This nurse said, what is going on? But one thing that people say, you may not see it, you may not get to see it, but karma, recompense for what this person has done will come to them. It's past 3 o'clock now. I'm going to go get some gas in my car. I probably need to get that shaver and do a little bit. And I am at the school. I have a card here. It's a calla lily. Let me see if I can take the price thing off without. And in this one, I have a American Greeting note cards, pack of 40. Sometimes you just gotta do a little something extra when extra is good. And we are on our way to the co-working space. This is normally where I go and walk up the street, and they have dug up this entire sidewalk.